Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube pays you for 1 million views. I have several videos on my YouTube channel that have over 1 million views or very close to 1 million views. I have one that has about 1.3 million on how to remove earwax from your ear. I didn't think it was going to get as popular as it did, but it has 1.3 million views. And another one that is how to unclog your toilet using dish soap that's almost to 1 million. So two videos that I didn't think were going to become popular became very popular, sort of semi-viral if you want to say so. So I'll be going over quickly the analytics of both of these videos and show you how much I made on each video. So I hope you enjoy. Okay everyone, we're currently on my YouTube channel. Now if I scroll down here, I have a feed of popular uploads. As you can see, I have one that's 2.7 million and then two videos here at 1.2 million, how to remove earwax, and then how to unclog your toilet. It has about almost 1 million views. So I'm going to go into this one first, hit pause, and then head over to analytics to view the analytics of this video. Now, on average, the average person gets about $2 to $5 per 1,000 ad impressions, that's known as the RPM. I have around $3.22 on average, and since I published this video back here in January, I made 2 cents. It just started going up from there, and as you can see, I've made a total of $3,969 from this video. And on average, let's say in the last 28 days, I make about $7 a day on it, and then it drops down to $6. So it kind of fluctuates, but a pretty good little video for something that took me about 5 minutes to make. All right, we're going to head over to my other video here, head back to my channel, and we're going to head down to the unclog the toilet without a plunger. This one, even though it has about 300,000 views less than my earwax video, it actually has made me more money because the RPM is higher. So it's $7.07 per 1,000 ad impressions. And as you can see, I published this video back here in October of 2020, and it's made close to $7,000, which is pretty impressive. Again, if I go to the next 28 days, you can see I'm making about 21, 18 a day, 18, 17. It kind of fluctuates, but again, pretty cool for these two videos that took me no more than 10 minutes to make, and they continually make money. So again, the average person makes between $2 and $5 per 1,000 ad impressions, but depending on your niche of a YouTube channel, if you're doing gaming or politics or news or sports, it changes your RPM. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.